Just write down, everyone. These are just means very few questions will be asked on these because we have already done these. This time drawing diagrams will come. Okay, so keep your pencil everything ready. If you can use color pencils also, it is fine.
Ma'am, ignition temperature won't come.
It is in a combustion only. Okay, the main topic is combustion. Usme everything is there. Fire, ignition temperature, combustible substance, whatever we have covered. Okay, condition for combustion, everything. All of you have got notes with you, so prepare with your notes also, and whatever homework you have done, the questions I have given in revision for worksheet also, just go through all the questions. Mostly everything we have covered in that. Okay, last what we were doing, atoms. Okay, their definition in this, what you will get, you have to draw structure of atom, draw structure of atom.
Like that,
Okay?
ma'am, the protons, neutrons, and the
Correct.
electrons.
ऐसे center में बनाया protons and neutrons, and first shell में only two electrons can be there. Second shell में how many will be there? For example, that is, and then I'm writing it, electronic configuration you should know. Once you know the atomic number, you will get to know. I'll let you know how. Electronic configuration, then structure of atom, label. यहाँ पे भी separation of mixtures में also diagram is there. Okay, diagram for distillation, filtration, all those diagrams. Okay, electronic configuration हो गया, ये हो गया. Then
how much time will we get?
Symbol. You'll get enough time. You'll get to know about the time. Symbol of elements till calcium. ठीक है, atomic number 20. ठीक है, symbol and atomic number both you have to remember. Atomic number and symbol of elements till calcium, that is atomic number 20, which you have already learned. Okay, what is left now? What is atom, molecule?
Everything is done, ma'am.
Yeah, there was a question in the worksheet which I gave you in homework.
Ma'am, ratio will also come.
Ratio will come now. What ratio
Yes,
is?
ma'am, I have a doubt in science assignment.
Okay, this was the question in SO3. How many total atoms are present? Total is how many? 1 of sulfur and 3 of oxygen. So total 4 atoms.
4. Ma'am, I wrote 4 only.
You wrote 4, but most of them wrote 3. 3 is only if they ask how many
Ma'am,
oxygen.
I think I also wrote 4, but you messaged me also that no, you have written 3. I wrote 4 in that. No, I have written 3 actually.
You wrote 4? Okay,
yes,
so
ma'am, I wrote 4.
Okay, then make it 4 only, because I thought, because I'm checking it on mobile, maybe I would not have seen it properly. But I have mentioned it that SO3, mostly everyone, those answers I have checked now, everyone has written 3 only. So it is 4 atoms.
Ma'am, can you give the answer of the third question? I did not.
5? What is 5? 3 and 1. 4 only, na?
Oh.
Yeah. Yes, Ibrahim, what was the question? You have to read
Yeah,
the question.
ma'am. The third one, which statements about atoms and molecules is correct? I did not understand that.
which statement about atom and molecule is correct. Okay, what have you written?
Ma'am, I did not understand, so I did not write.
Ma'am, I have written an answer, but you have marked it as wrong. I have written elements always exist separately.
And
You-
ma'am, how come my fifth
No, what
one?
was the question? 3 options were there, na?
Yeah,
So what are the options? Read the options first.
yeah. 1 minute. The
Just
option
keep
our
your camera on.
elements always exist as separate atoms. The second one is elements always exist as pairs of atoms called molecules. Third one is element and compounds can exist as molecules.
Third one option is correct. Element and compound both can exist as molecule, right? Because in element also oxygen element exists as molecules, and compound always exist as molecule. So third
Ma'am,
option
only
is
third one is correct. Okay.
Yes.
So ma'am, I then you gave me wrong of the 7. 1 minute, ma'am. Let me check.
Anyone else has doubt in this?
Yes, ma'am, you gave me
because
wrong of
I
6
gave
one.
answer also. I have tick marked the answer with blue mark. The correct
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
also I have tick marked.
But ma'am,
Written elements always exist as separate atoms. That I got.
Which question, Amina?
Both
Both
of 8
third
and
question.
9, 8th one and 6th one.
I have marked the answer, Amina. Everyone answer sheets, I have marked the correct
Ma'am,
answer.
you did not
Rashta, are
mark
you there
in
in the
mine. You
class?
just did correct and wrong. You did not.
Ma'am, there
mark
is nothing written.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
mine.
Keep your camera
Ma'am,
on,
you-
Rashta.
Ma'am, I have internet
Ma'am, you did not
problems.
mark.
Why? What happened?
My cousins are home,
You're
so
not
a
in
lot.
your place?
No, my cousins are home, so a lot of people are using the same router, so it's lagging a lot.
Okay, everyone is having class. All your cousins are having class.
No, my cousin, she's just entertaining herself, and all 3 of my siblings are also on devices.
Okay, then pay attention over here what we are doing. Okay, I have marked your mistakes. Just check your mistakes in the file which I
Ma'am,
have.
what is the
Okay?
6th and the 8th answer?
What is the 6th?
Ma'am, what is the 6th and the 8th answer?
Everything I have marked, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, you
Some-
just gave correct and wrong. You did not write the answer.
In your, I have not written the answer.
And my
Okay.
also have not written the answer. You have just marked correct.
But I
Ma'am, that only answer.
answer. I have marked it. Tick mark.
Ma'am,
to
No,
it.
ma'am.
Ma'am, you marked my answers. You marked my answers which were wrong, ma'am.
Okay, tell him the answer, Ibrahim. Tell him, Abdullah, to
The
Ibrahim.
6th and the 8th. The 6th and the 8th.
Which option?
Ma'am, I will have to open that.
Okay, wait, I'll open them. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anas.
yesterday Alfie ma'am told that we will have the final exam
Exams offline.
in
Yes,
offline.
yes.
We will have in our own school, or we will have like in a hall.
That you will get to know where you will have, but it is offline only. So that's why I was telling you to prepare. Anyone has opened, because I'm not getting.
I've opened it.
Okay.
I have also opened it.
Share
Am I
it on.
talking about the worksheet?
Yeah, worksheet. Open your worksheet.
Ma'am, can I share?
Anyone can share. Whoever has opened it.
The 6th one.
Go to 6th one.
The 6th and the 8th one. Okay.
This is the 6th one and this is the 8th one.
8th one, 4 hydrogen atoms. So 3 here and 1 here. So 4
Wondered.
hydrogen atoms. First
Yes.
option is the correct option. Okay? And 6th one, which one is a compound? Water is a compound. Hydrogen and
Water.
helium, they are elements. Okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I did not
hydrogen is the
understand.
first element.
Ma'am, I did not
Hydrogen is
understand the 8th one. Which of these contains
Four
four
hydrogen
hydrogen
atoms.
atoms?
So in first compound, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 3 here
Three.
and 1 here. 1 H is also here, na? So 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogen atoms. Here 2 and here also 2 hydrogen atoms. So first option is correct.
Did you check mine?
Ma'am, see like this, no? This 3, this 3,
Yes, and 1.
and
this
then
one.
this 1.
Correct. So this is 3 plus 1, 4. Move to the 9th question, Munib. 9th question. 9th question.
Ma'am, did you check mine?
Did you receive the file? I don't remember how many of you have sent. Yesterday,
Ma'am, I wrote 3 in the last question.
Ma'am, I submitted today.
today, then today I have not sent.
I
I'll
opened
check.
mine, in that you have corrected mine also.
Hmm. Okay, Munib, give me the 9th question. Where is 9th question?
Ma'am, I did not submit it, but I just now remember that
Ah.
I have done. So then
You
I
have to submit
I don't
it.
submit it. I thought
How
I
many
have
atoms
submitted.
are there? Yeah. How many atoms are there in total in molecule of sulfur trioxide? Total they are asking. Okay.
Ma'am, I have
Total,
written 4.
total is 4, not 3, Munib. It is wrong. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Total is 4. Okay, just stop sharing. Let us start now. Okay. So all of you have learned now. I'll ask from the middle. I'll ask. Okay, element's name, and you have to tell me the atomic number and symbol. Okay. Okay. All of you have learned now. All of you have learned it.
Ma'am, 1 to
No, ma'am.
20, 1 to 20 or 1 to 10.
I'm going to learn on the weekend.
right?
I've learned the
Symbols very nicely and atomic number I'm not completely sure.
Okay, you can try it. Okay.
Ma'am,
One
See, ma'am, you are
that she did
asking
not
from
learn.
1 to 20. You are asking
1
from
to
1 to
10.
20.
1 to 10 I'm asking.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Then answer.
Now tell me the atomic number of carbon and the symbol, Muhammad.
And the symbol of carbon is CA, and the atomic number is
Only Abdullah knows. Abdullah.
Ma'am, I also know.
Carbon's element, it is C and its atomic number is 6.
Correct.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
also know.
Okay. Oxygen, Munib.
Ma'am, oxygen, ma'am, it is, wait. Ma'am, it has 8 atoms and the symbol is O.
Atomic number. Don't say 8 atoms. Okay. 8
Atomic number is
atomic
8.
number.
Atom.
And O is the symbol. Okay. Nitrogen. Yahya, nitrogen.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, nitrogen symbol is N and the atomic number is 7.
Correct. Lithium, Amina.
the symbol of lithium is Li, and the atomic number is 8.
Atomic number. Yeah. How much?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, Ibrahim. What is the atomic
Ma'am, the
number?
lithium's atomic number is 3.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, it is 3.
Magnesium, Humera. Magnesium. No, magnesium.
Ma'am,
No,
magnesium is 12.
12.
Yes, ma'am,
Leave it.
magnesium is
12. Yeah, magnesium. Leave it magnesium. 9. Okay. Fluorine.
Fluorine is 9 and it's F.
Right. Fluorine atomic number is 9 and symbol is F. Very good. So all of you have learned till 10. Any number is
Ma'am,
left?
can you
Helium.
ask me?
Ma'am, beryllium,
Ma'am,
10.
Neon is left.
Beryllium,
Ma'am, you did
boron,
not
and
give me a chance.
neon. Beryllium, boron,
Anas,
and neon.
Anas, beryllium. Anas is stuck.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, you did not give me a chance.
Beryllium.
Beryllium.
Atomic
Ma'am,
number
can
is
you
5,
give
ma'am.
me a chance?
And B.
4. Atomic number is 4. Beryllium atomic number is 4. And what is the symbol?
Ma'am,
B.
No, B is boron.
E
Be.
is beryllium and it is
What you
number 4.
confuse the elements with same first letter, like calcium, carbon. ठीक है, तो carbon is C, calcium is Ca. Okay, then boron and beryllium. Boron is B, beryllium is Be. So this way you remember this thing. ठीक है, so till
Ma'am,
1 to 10
You
we
did
have.
not give me the chance.
Okay, tell
You
me
did not
helium.
give-
Helium.
Ma'am, helium is He and the atomic number is 2.
Correct. 2. Okay. So what I'll show
Ma'am,
you.
neon is left, Ne and 10.
Which is neon is very easy. So okay, wait. This is a periodic table. Okay, I have shown you this periodic table, and I have given you this also. Now, what you have to do, since you have already learned, you should know the electronic configuration. You know that atomic. This one is your atomic number and number of proton is same, right? So I told you that electronic configuration means the arrangement of electrons in the shell. Okay, and you already know that first shell will always have 2 electrons, second shell will always have maximum 8 electrons. Just mute yourself. Okay, so here suppose in all these I'm just writing the electronic configuration. Okay, next column, that you can write on your own also, electronic configuration. You should know this also. Electronic configuration means how electrons are arranged. तो इसमें first shell में only 1, helium में 2, so first shell में only 2. Now you know that in first shell you cannot place more than 2, so lithium में first shell will have 2 and second shell will have 1. So this way you have to write. Okay, then 4.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Place more than 2.
Ma'am, should we write this electronic
You can
configuration?
write it on your own if you remember these atomic number. That's why I told you to remember the
Ma'am.
atomic number. 5 is how much? 2, yeah, 2,3.
Ma'am, in last shell you can't keep more than 8, right?
Yes.
8 electrons.
Yes, but if
Ma'am.
it is first shell, you can keep 2 only.
Ma'am, we
First
have to
shell
write in
maximum
notebook.
2. Yes, you write it
Ma'am, I
wherever
want to
you have
ask
written this,
something.
na, wherever you have written the atomic number, beside it, write down electronic configuration. I'll write for some of them. Rest you can write on your own. 6 is how much? 6 is 2,
2 and 4.
2 and 4.
Ma'am, but you
2,
told
5.
that in the second shell maximum 8
तो मैं
electrons
नहीं
can
हुआ ना,
come.
अभी 8 हुआ कहाँ है? 2,
Yeah.
6 हो गया, and then 2, 7 हो गया, and then 2, 8 हो गया. अब 8 से ज्यादा you cannot have in the second shell. So you will have now the third shell.
Ma'am,
1.
you will have third shell. 8.
Yeah. So now third shell. Sodium
no?
से third shell हो गया. फिर 2, 8, 2. 2, 8, 3. 2, 8. Understood? How do we
4.
place it? 2,
And then 2,
8,
8, 5.
5. This way you will do. Now suppose question is asked, draw.
How many we can put in third shell?
Ma'am, Anas wants to ask,
8,
ma'am.
maximum 8. वैसे you can put 18 for,
Yes,
but for
ma'am, I
now
do
you
not know.
remember, but for now you remember that you can put 8. Okay, because last shell में 8 ही हो सकता है. Suppose question is asked,
Ma'am.
draw. Yeah.
Ma'am, Anas has a question.
Yes, Anas, what is your question?
How many atomic number are coming in the exam?
20.
20.
Calcium. Next week I'll be going to ask you from 1 to 20. So those who have not learned, remember, draw atomic structure. Atomic structure means atom ka structure. So draw atomic structure of, suppose I'm asking you of, when I say, किसका बनाऊं? Aluminium. ठीक है? Aluminium. Aluminium ये है. 2, 8, 3, 13. Okay. So what I will do? पहले बनाए कितने protons? So
Ma'am,
13
2 protons.
protons.
Ma'am, 4. Yes.
13 protons I'll write. Atomic number I don't know. I'll be giving you the atomic mass number, so you will find out. A compass say you will draw the shell. Okay. First shell
Ma'am,
Yeah.
sorry, but mass number minus the atomic number is equal to neutron, right?
Correct. So I'll give you that, draw the atomic structure of aluminium. ठीक है? Whose mass number is
We'll give mass number also, right?
Mass number I'll give you. Whose mass number is 20?
Munib bhai, mute yourself, please.
Mute na. So draw atomic structure of aluminium whose mass number is 27. Okay. So atomic number 13 ho gaya. So mass. So how many neutrons will be there?
4, ma'am. 4.
14 na.
27 minus 13 we will do, then 14 will come.
हाँ. So first shell में you will draw 2 electrons. Second shell में कितने हैं?
8 electrons.
5, 6, 7, 8. And last shell में you will draw 3 electrons. So this is the atomic structure of aluminium. ठीक है?
Ma'am, so in real we need to draw in the nucleus, we have to draw 13 protons, or
No,
we can just
right like this. 13 proton and 14 neutron. Electrons you have to do.
So ma'am, you did
And
not put
ma'am-
a minus plus sign, ma'am.
And ma'am, this orbit
Ma'am, अगर
sign
maths
which
में
you-
गड़बड़ कर दी
तो फिर मार्क्स कटेगा. प्लस माइनस में गड़बड़ नहीं कर सकते हो इस क्लास में अभी. ठीक है?
Ma'am, spelling machine matter.
how to get mass number.
Mass
Mass
number,
number
ma'am,
will
will
be
give in
given
the
in
question
question.
itself.
You have to learn the atomic number. That's all.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
this we have to draw with compass, no with circle we have drawn.
Yeah. Okay. You can draw with
Ma'am,
pencil
So
and
mass
इसको
number,
डार्क कलर से कोई कलर से बना सकते हो, any color, and proton को different
Ma'am.
color से, neutron को different color से you can write. Okay, you can make beautiful
ma'am,
diagrams. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask something. See, just the atomic number of aluminium is 13. So we will do mass number is 27. So we will do 27 minus 13 electrons. Then we will get 14 neutrons. Right?
Correct.
So we need to show the method of maths, or we can do directly.
You can write directly also, or you can write 27 minus 13 equal to 14 essay. Okay, I'm giving you one more question. How many electrons are present if the question is asked like this? How many electrons are present in the outermost shell of nitrogen? Tell me.
5.
5. So that type of questions will come. Okay, outermost shell तो 5 हो गया. यहाँ पे outermost shell में 5 है. Is it clear the electronic configuration? You can do it on your own till see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want one question. That in science will marks spelling matter?
Doesn't
Spelling
matter.
mistakes marks will deduct, ma'am.
In physics, chemistry doesn't matter much, but in biology, when the terms are there, complicated terms are there, so their spelling matters. Okay, like hemoglobin, photosynthesis. ठीक है?
Ma'am, can you give the electronic configuration of more 5 elements like?
Okay, I'll give you. I'll erase it now. Should I erase this page? So I'll
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Erase, ma'am. Now you show off sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium.
Ma'am,
Okay.
have learned till 15.
2, 8, 6. 2. This is in sequence. तो एक एक बढ़ते जाएगा. 2, 8, 8. अभी थर्ड शेल में 8 हो गया, which is argon. तो अभी next होगा 2, 8. Fourth shell will come. Okay, and last one is 2, 8, 8, 2. Till here you have to learn.
Then, ma'am, but in the calcium one, there will be 4. In the calcium and potassium, there will be
Yeah,
4
there
shells.
4 shells. Yes, you will have to draw 4 shells then.
So, ma'am, we need to label
This
the
can
when
also
we
be
draw.
asked. How many shells are there in the atom of calcium? Okay. What is the how many outermost electrons are there? Then you should know the symbol. If it is written like this, calcium 40 and 20. What does this represent?
That represents the mass number.
Atoms.
Mass number.
And this is atomic number.
The
okay?
atomic number. The atomic
We have
number.
done this,
The
no?
mass number will be written in the starting.
So ma'am, we will remember from 20 का क्या रहता है calcium, so we'll
हाँ,
write
20
calcium.
पता है कि एटॉमिक नंबर है, तो ये दूसरा वाला मास नंबर ही होगा, ठीक है, दिस वे.
Ma'am, 20 का double is 40, so that's why 40
नहीं,
is the
always
mass
it is
number.
not 40. Mass number can be different also. Okay, isotopes होता है जिसमें कि same element can have 40, 41 भी हो सकता है.
Ma'am,
Okay,
oxygen's mass number is 8.
क्लोरीन का
Sorry,
36
sorry.
होता है, क्लोरीन का 36 भी होता है. So two mass numbers are there. So that is why mass number you don't have to learn. It will be there given in the question. ठीक है? Is it clear
Yes,
now the
ma'am.
syllabus part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, what else will be asked? I'll tell you in this type of.
Ratio and all that.
Yeah.
Then we have to
Okay.
do integers also.
Integers I'll do now. Word problems, some word problems will do. So periodic table में, you know, the elements are arranged in the what I have told you according to the increasing atomic number. You can see sequence: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So this way it is arranged in increasing atomic number till calcium.
In this why there is written 2A, 1B.
This is the name of the groups. It is called as groups because we are not doing periodic table in detail. Periodic table is a separate chapter. I'm just giving you an introduction of periodic table. I won't be doing it in detail because वो एक chapter पूरा है. So we'll do it later, Abhi, because we don't have that much time. So just know that periodic table is
Ma'am,
actually arrangement of elements in the increasing order of atomic number. This question comes in fill in the blanks. Okay. Increasing
Ma'am.
order of क्या होता है, एटॉमिक नंबर या मास नंबर, ट्रू फॉल्स में भी आ
Ma'am,
सकता है.
so this is hydrogen, then this is helium, then this is lithium, beryllium,
तो ये क्या है,
boron, carbon,
एटॉमिक नंबर है,
nitrogen,
नॉट
oxygen,
इंक्रीजिंग मास
fluorine.
नंबर. Okay,
Okay.
so don't get confused in
Ma'am,
that.
you will ask the group number also.
So
Groups
ma'am,
I'll
it is
ask.
going like this.
I have, yes, it is going like this sideways. It is called as periods. Horizontal rows are called as periods and vertical columns
So,
are
ma'am,
called
where
as
is the
groups.
beach ka over here? Ma'am, where is the beach ka? Why have they left so much space?
अब
ma'am?
बीच का इस ट्रांजिशन मेटल आई हैव टोल्ड यू ना, अभी इसके बारे में अभी नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर, अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं तो विल नॉट डू इट. पीरियोडिक टेबल विल डू इट इन डिटेल whenever we do.
Ma'am, now let's do integers in 15 minutes.
No problem in atom molecule element compound. Definition सबके याद रखना, difference सबके याद रखना, diagram.
Ma'am, in separation of
Okay,
in
one more thing
separation.
is asking, ratio निकालना. Okay, so for example, if it is asked कि what is the ratio of atoms? Ratio of atoms of कौन सा compound ले?
Nitrogen.
सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड. ठीक है, रेशियो ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ सल्फर एंड ऑक्सीजन
1, 2, 3.
इन सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड. तो
1 and 4.
सल्फर एंड ऑक्सीजन
1 and
1 and 3.
you have to write like this. ठीक है, how many sulfur atoms are there? 1. How many oxygen atoms are there? 3. How many total atoms are there? Then 4.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
how 1 came, ma'am?
The 3 over here is the
It
mass
is one.
number or the number of
Nothing
atoms.
written means 1 होता है. Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, beside oxygen, beside oxygen, what is written? That is the number of atoms, right? Not the number, the mass number, right?
No, mass number is there in the element का symbol. जब अकेले अकेले लिखते हैं तब. Nitrogen, okay, 11, 7, 14.
But ma'am, what is trioxide, ma'am?
3
Trioxide,
oxygen
sulfur
trioxide. Carbon dioxide. 2 oxygen di means 2. Carbon dioxide.
Is there
Sulfur
quadroxide?
dioxide.
Ma'am, is
Huh?
there quadroxide?
नहीं. SO4 is not, it is a group. It is called as sulfate. ठीक है, अभी ये सब नहीं
Yeah,
करो.
ma'am, you told.
Yeah, you will get confused. ठीक है, so whatever we
Yeah,
have.
just ratio. We need to concentrate on ratio, right?
हाँ, ratio, number of atoms, यही सब. Now let us start with integers.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the maths one, the percentage word problems like x1 will also come. What is the number of 6?
Yes, yes, it will come. You
Let
have
the
done.
number be x, then
Algebra will come.
1/4.
Yes, it will come. We did this yesterday. We did the difference also. Now you have to find the what is the temperature difference between this also we did. Lahore, Spiti and Srinagar. What is the difference in temperature between Lahore, Spiti and Srinagar? Whichever is greater, you have to subtract from that. So what is the temperature of Lahore, Spiti? What is the temperature?
Minus 10 degree.
Minus 8.
No, Lahore, Spiti is
Minus 6.
no 6.
Minus 8. Minus 8.
Minus 8. And what is the temperature of Srinagar?
No, ma'am, I am telling, ma'am, I am telling total answer minus 6.
Okay. This is minus 2.
2. Minus 2.
So temperature difference is how much? Which one is greater? Minus 2 is greater. So minus 2 minus 8.
Ma'am, minus 2 is more cold than minus 8.
Minus 5 is the total answer.
Minus sign को confuse नहीं करो. Minus and plus.
Ma'am, is minus 5 the total answer?
Minus 6. 2 plus 8 is
The
equal to
answer.
6.
Plus 6 is the answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
in Srinagar, minus 5 is written. So how minus 2 came?
Srinagar is this. Srinagar is this. See the arrow.
Ma'am, the answer
What
is
is minus 5, ma'am? So
minus 5
what
is
is
not
minus 5?
Srinagar. See ना arrow. Arrow को देखो किधर है श्रीनगर. minus 2 पे है. This is minus 1, minus 2,
Ma'am.
minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is minus 5.
Ma'am, minus 2 is more.
Not minus 8. Minus and minus plus होता है यार. Minus and minus is plus.
The plus 2 will be there, na? Not
Why?
plus 8.
Why? बीच में 2 minus है ना तो ये minus plus हो गया. 2 minus make plus.
Already minus 2 has a minus, not 8 does not has. It turned into a plus. So then plus will 6 will have a plus. Simple.
We have
It's
to.
bigger. So that is why plus sign. ठीक है?
Ma'am, can I ask something now?
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, minus 2 is more colder than minus 8.
No, minus 8 is more colder. Lower temperature is more cold. So minus
So we are
8,
subtracting from minus 2 minus 8, right?
always we have to subtract bigger से smaller. जब भी difference पूछेगा तो bigger number पहले लिखो. तो bigger minus 2 है और minus 8 smaller है. Then you put a minus sign. When I say
Minus 2 is bigger in the number line. Okay, so that's
correct, minus 2 is on right hand side. Whichever number lies on right hand side,
yeah,
that
and minus 8 is more
left.
in the left hand. Yeah.
Understood.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so clear this. So we did this question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? First part. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. So you have to add these temperature. What is the temperature of Srinagar?
Minus 2 and
Minus 2.
And Shimla is
Minus
how?
2 and 5.
7, ma'am. 7. 7
Minus
plus
1
7.
2 plus 5 is how much? Calculate it properly. How much is it?
2, ma'am. Plus 2. Plus 2.
Plus 3. 3, ma'am.
Plus 3.
Answer is
The
plus
answer.
3.
5 minus 2, 3. Okay? Plus 3 is the answer. So this is together and then they have asked together is less than temperature of Shimla. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, it is less.
Less than.
Yes, you will say yes because
Minus.
temperature at Shimla is 5 and temperature together Srinagar and Shimla is 3. So yes.
So it is not less than the temperature of Srinagar.
It is less than the temperature of Srinagar.
No, 3 is greater than minus
No,
2.
yes. 3 is greater than minus 2. Is it also less than temperature of Srinagar? No, because temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 and you are getting 3. So 3 is greater. Is it clear, this question?
Yeah, like this type of question will come.
Yes, this type questions come. So
So
whatever
there
we are
will be a
doing,
diagram and then referring that we need to calculate.
diagram might be there. Yes. Okay, now write down this questions. You can write through the recording also. Okay, so we'll just do the question over here. A roller coaster begin at 90 feet. Now, what did I tell you? Whenever anything is mentioned above sea level, you will take it as positive. Okay, so 90 feet above ground level or sea level, so you will take it as plus 90. It descends down 105 feet, so you will make it 105. Descends down means going down will be negative. Okay, understood? So plus 90 minus 105. Find the height of the roller coaster. What is the height now? With
Then
sign,
minus, when we will minus it,
huh?
and then
Sign.
we will.
The answer will be minus 15.
Answer is minus 15. Okay, minus 15
And
feet.
do we have to write this?
Yes, write down the answer. Question also, if you want, you can write. Otherwise, you can copy it later. Steve has overdrawn his checking account by $27. His bank charged him $15 for an overdraft fee. So he has taken out this much. Bank has also charged this much. So all these things are coming out. So when it is coming out of the bank, it will be negative. Okay. And whatever is deposited is positive. So deposited is positive, coming out is negative. Now what is the answer?
Then overdrawn is also negative.
Overdrawn, yes, you are drawing out. Extra you have taken out. Okay. So how much is the answer?
48. Ma'am, the answer is 48.
48 you are getting?
I got 58.
It should be 58.
Ma'am, I got 88.
I got 58, ma'am.
It should
I
be
got
58.
88.
88 कैसे आया? 100 minus 27 is how much?
23.
73.
How much?
Then minus 15 is 58.
100 minus 27 is 73.
Minus 15 is how much?
58.
Yes. So this is the correct answer. On the first play, the football team...
Ma'am, I did not understand. Ma'am, I did not understand. 100 minus 27 is 73. And then
Minus-
73 minus 15 is equals to 88.
88 कैसे आ रहा है? Minus subtraction में why you are
Acha, we
getting...
will plus, ma'am. We will do plus or...
नहीं, we will not do plus. You are doing plus ना Ibrahim. You are doing plus. We have to subtract. तभी तुमको 88 आ रहा है. When you are adding it, you are getting more than 73. Understood, Ibrahim? 73.
I'm sorry, my internet was gone. My internet was gone. Can you explain one more time?
73 minus 15. Why you are adding it? You have a subtraction sign, negative sign over here. When
Yeah.
1 plus and 1 minus
73 minus 50.
is 58.
But ma'am,
na?
first we will subtract from 100, na? So 100
तो
minus
73.
27 is 73.
कितना
Yeah,
है,
then
Ibrahim?
73 minus 15 is...
Do it na.
I
किधर है
did,
आप
ma'am.
लोग?
So see, we will do 73 minus 15.
23 plus 15 is 88, not minus 15.
Why you are adding? अरे सारा घूम गया इब्राहिम.
Ma'am, minus minus is plus, na?
किधर माइनस है? इधर किधर माइनस है?
It is positive 73 and minus 15. You plus and minus will become minus. So you will do subtraction, not addition.
1 plus and
Okay.
1 minus. So subtraction ना इब्राहिम.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
रिवाइज करो ये पूरा, ठीक है? क्वेश्चंस डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड अभी लास्ट मोमेंट पे, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड आल्सो. सिंपल है. 100 माइनस 27 हो गया प्लस 73 और ये माइनस 15 लिख दिया. तो 1 प्लस 1 माइनस यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड पुट अ ग्रेटर साइन. ग्रेटर साइन 73 का है तो प्लस हो गया. सिंपल. ऑन द फर्स्ट प्ले फुटबॉल टीम लॉस्ट 6 yards. On
This
the
is of rugby, not what we play.
American football is rugby.
Football to
Ah.
soccer and they tell football, soccer and rugby they tell football.
हाँ, so rugby ही होगा. Football है ना, लेकिन rugby तो hand से खेलते हैं. This is football ना.
Yes, ma'am, but
Yes,
we
ma'am,
don't
we
have
don't use 6 yards
yards
in soccer.
The American say it as football and we say it as football.
Point to discuss. Let us see the question. Lost means negative. Okay, so -6 you will do. On the second day, the team lost 5, so -5. ठीक है? First day football team. So what is the change? Change is
Minus 11 yards.
or
6 plus 5 and 6 plus 5.
Minus 11.
It is 0, na? Initially it is 0. Okay.
Ma'am,
So what is the
yes.
change?
Yes, ma'am, sorry, it is 0. It will become 0, no, it is not minus.
So -11 or -0 will be -11. ठीक है? The price,
Answer will be minus 11.
yeah. Okay.
Minus will become plus, so then it will be minus 11, right?
Minus नहीं हुआ ना, -0 किया हमने.
हाँ, yes.
No, wait, change करना है ना. Change again, greater minus smaller we'll do. I did it wrongly over here. Greater तो यहाँ पे 0 है ना. So 0 minus -11, which is equal to.
Ma'am, but why are you doing 0, ma'am? Why not minus 6,
Ma'am, there was
minus
no
5?
0. We need to add, ma'am. We need
First,
to find a total change.
when you are
Ma'am,
beginning,
first minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11, and then we do it to 0 because we do not know the number of yards. that were
yeah,
there.
first day पे क्या score था, we don't know. ठीक है? I don't know about this game actually. The price of
Ma'am,
share
it is written first play. See, ma'am, in the first line only it is written first
lost
play.
second play lost 5 yards. तो पीछे चले गए 11 yards, right? So you can say total change in yards is 11. तो change हमेशा positive रहेगा. So 11 yards. Okay.
So 11 yards, ma'am, minus 11 yards. No? Because
Change
only-
निकालते हैं तो bigger minus smaller करते हैं ना. So it is 11.
ma'am, I am not understanding what you are saying, ma'am.
See,
Yes,
temperature.
ma'am. I also did not understand of the 8th question.
हाँ. तो
Why
did you
write 0?
because first day पे 0 था हमारा baseline, right? Baseline
0 is like X, right?
right.
But ma'am,
Reference axis.
the first play only they lost 6 yards. Just saying
Okay,
on the first.
don't remember this question. Leave that question if you're getting confused. मैं तुमको temperature के questions से बताती हूँ. We did it yesterday. I'm doing it again. Wait. Because this type of question comes, the change difference जब भी निकालना है, you have to find out between greater minus smaller. Okay. Where is the temperature difference वाला question? We did. Yesterday we did one question, temperature difference का. हाँ, ये वाला था ना, difference between hottest and coldest. या difference पूछेगा या change पूछेगा. So whenever this is asked, difference, you have to put a negative sign and you have to write a bigger number first and smaller later. So hottest bigger होगा, right? What is hottest? Hottest is 22. So you write
22.
Yeah. Hottest is 22. Put a negative sign on your own. Change या difference जब भी पूछेगा. What is coldest? Coldest कितना है?
minus 10.
-8. Okay. 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. Now same here it was asked कि what is the change? Because you are starting from 0 line and you are lagging behind, and in the end you are at 11 yards. Okay, in the end you were at -11 yards. So difference is bigger number is 0 and smaller number is -11. So I made it plus 11. 0 minus minus is plus 11. Okay, understood this? In that
The
question.
0 is bigger, that's why.
Yeah, that is why. Understood?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
did not understand.
See, you are starting with the base baseline, which is 0 line. Okay, आगे
They
जाने
need to make
plus
a difference.
जाने को minus होगा. So the team was going behind या losing इतना yards. So 11 कितना yards? 5 yards and some yards करके last में minus 11
5 and 6 yards, so minus 11 came.
11 yards हो गया था. And in the beginning they were at 0, right? So what is the difference between 0 and minus 11? 0 minus
11 yards.
11 yards.
So it is plus.
Minus 1 is equal to plus.
ठीक है?
So answer is okay,
So,
ma'am.
ma'am, in if
So I
every
think
difference
time
or
is
the
getting over.
Ma'am,
I will give you some
Ma'am,
questions.
it is compulsory to put positive number, na?
नहीं, it is not compulsory, but usually we get positive.
Ma'am,
अभी
will you
सारे
give these?
Ma'am, I want to ask
Read the question.
something.
Wait, everyone just wait. Do the last question. Similar question. A submarine was situated 8,000 feet below sea level. Okay, so sea
Minus
level is 0. Below sea level is minus 800. Okay, below बोल दिया तो minus 800 feet हुआ. And it ascends 250 feet. Ascends means going up. Okay,
Positive 250.
minus 800 plus 250. So what is the new position you will
Plus
write?
minus.
हाँ, subtract.
800 minus 250.
How much is it?
550. 550. Plus 550.
Is it plus 550?
No,
Minus 550 because 800 is
because
bigger and
800
it
is
is negative.
greater than 250.
So answer you are getting minus 550. So you will say that its position is, because you are getting minus, you will say in words, its position is
Minus 550 feet.
550 feet below sea level. Minus की जगह you will write in words below sea level. Okay?
So
Understood
it
this?
is compulsory to write below sea level or we will get
So
marks
the
for.
question they have written ना plus minus में नहीं दिया है. Question they have written above sea level and below sea level. So answer also
Marks will be cut.
yes.
Ma'am, in that
Minus
yards question,
550 you got, तो half marks कट जाएगा. If you don't write, it is 550
Ma'am.
feet. So we have asked new
Ma'am.
position.
I want to ask something.
But you didn't mean how do you write the statement?
This statement you will write submarine was situated 800 feet below. So initial position of submarine is plus 800 plus 800 feet. ठीक है? Then
Ma'am, can I ask?
final position is equal to plus 800 minus 250. Okay, equal to minus 550. So that therefore you can say that its position is 550
Why did
feet
you write
below sea level.
plus 800? You have to write minus.
Where minus here I have written.
No, ma'am. You have written plus 800.
Yes, ma'am,
Because
you
it-
have.
Position plus 800.
Because it is okay. Sorry. This is okay, I was just telling you how to write.
Ma'am,
that.
in
You have
the
to write
yards
minus,
question, when we find the total,
minus,
so
this
every
is
time we
minus
need
and
to
this is plus.
add 0.
Yes. All of you ask together. I don't understand. Is this question clear, everyone? How to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some questions. These questions I'll send you in
Yes,
home.
ma'am.
This
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
sheet.
Send
I'll
some
send.
questions.
Ma'am.
Send some these questions.
This sheet only I'll send you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I'll.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the yards question, every time we have to add 0.
Every time. Zero.
The
Where?
total. To
Arey,
find
वो
the
तो
total.
depends on question, Ibrahim. It depends on question. Okay.
Ma'am,
Because
in
it,
summary we don't have to put 0 because the question
Because
was not
there was
about.
nothing like it is below or
We
it
did
is
not have
of
to
the
find the
difference.
total. We had
initial
to find
position
the
zero है तो zero करना होगा. Initial position plus 12 है या minus 12 है तो from there you have to start.
Ma'am, if it is difference
We
written
had
or
to
change
find the
written,
sea
then only we
level
have to do, no?
Correct.
of the
Higher minus
summary.
smaller.
We did not have to find the total.
Ma'am, I have learned till
Can I go
20.
now? Hmm?
Ma'am, I have learned periodic table.
Till 20 you have to learn the symbol and atomic number. Next
ma'am, I
class.
have
I'll
learned.
ask. Good. Next class I'll ask. Okay.
Ma'am, I have also learned till 20.
Good.
Ma'am, I've learned till 15.
Do it till 20.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.